Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can get Mee6 bot on our Discord server. So for that, go to Google and search for Mee6 and click on the first link. Then click on add to Discord. Select the server of your choice where you want to set up Mee6 bot. So let me select the server. And after that, click on continue. Then click on authorize and click on I am human. Then enable and disable plugins as per your choice, and it is added to your server already. So go to your Discord account and here you can see Mee6 bot just joined our server, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.